5S is the name of a workplace organization method that uses a list of 5 Japanese words: seiri, seiton, seiso, seiketsu, and shitsuke. Transliterated or translated into English, they all start with the letter S. The list describes how to organize a workspace for efficiency and effectiveness by identifying and storing the items used, maintaining the area and items, and sustaining the new order. The decision-making process usually comes from a dialogue about standardization, which builds understanding among employees of how they should do the work. The 5 S's. There are 5 primary 5S phases. They can be translated from the Japanese as sort, systematize, shine, standardize and self-discipline. Other translations are possible. 1. Seiri, remove unnecessary items and dispose of them properly, make work easier by eliminating obstacles, reduce chance of being disturbed with unnecessary items, prevent accumulation of unnecessary items, evaluate necessary items with regard to other factors. 2. Seiton, arrange all necessary items in order so they can be easily picked for use, prevent loss and waste of time, make it easy to find and pick up necessary items, ensure first-come first-served basis, make workflow smooth and easy, can also be translated as set in order. 3. Seiso, clean your workplace completely, use cleaning as inspection, prevent machinery and equipment deterioration, keep workplace safe and easy to work, can also be translated as sweep. 4. Seiketsu, maintain high standards of housekeeping and workplace organization at all times, maintain cleanliness and orderliness, maintain everything in order and according to its standard. 5. Shitsuke, to keep in working order, also translates to self-discipline, meaning to do without being told. Additional S's, other phases are sometimes included, for example safety, security, and satisfaction. These however do not form a traditional set of phases, as the additions of these extra steps are simply to clarify the benefits of 5S and not a different or more inclusive methodology. Safety, the phase, safety, is sometimes added. There is debate over whether including this 6th S promotes safety by stating this value explicitly, or if a comprehensive safety program is undermined when it is relegated to a single item in an efficiency-focused business methodology. Security, the phase, security, can also be added. To leverage security as an investment rather than an expense, the 7th S identifies and addresses risks to key business categories including fixed assets, material, human capital, brand equity, intellectual property, information technology, assets in transit and the extended supply chain. Techniques adapted from those detailed in Total Security Management or the business practice of developing and implementing comprehensive risk management and security practices for a firm or unregistered trademark S entire value chain. The origins of 5S. 5S was developed in Japan and was identified as one of the techniques that enabled just-in-time manufacturing. 2 major frameworks for understanding and applying 5S to business environments have arisen, one proposed by Asada, the other by Hirano. Hirano provided a structure for improvement programs with a series of identifiable steps, each building on its predecessor. As noted by John Bicono, Toyota's adoption of the Hirano approach was 4S, with seiton and seiso combined. However, Toyota now uses the 5S as a standard. Although the origins of the 5S methodology are in manufacturing, it can also be applied to knowledge economy work, with information, software, or media in the place of physical product. See also, Kaizen, Kaikaku, Kanban, Lean Manufacturing, Muda. References, Graphic Products, 1, Graphic Products Tutorial, Silicon Far East, 2, Silicon Far East, Lean and Environment Training Modules. United States Government, Green Supply Network. Retrieved July 12, 2012. Womack, James. Jones, Daniel. Roos, Daniel. Machine That Changed the World. Productivity Press. ISBN A978-1-84737-055-6. Hirano, Hiroyuki. 5 Pillars of the Visual Workplace. Cambridge, Massachusetts, Productivity Press. ISBN A978-1-56327-047-5. Osada, Takashi. The 5s are Euro unregistered trademark S, 5 Keys to a Total Quality Environment. U.S. Asian Productivity Organization. ISBN A97833111167. Ikono, John. New Lean Toolbox, Towards Fast, Flexible Flow. Buckingham, Pitchsey. ISBN A978-0-9541244-1-0. Seiton Technologies. Seiton in Media Process. Seiton Technologies retrieved on June 3, 2014.